GIዄI Industries also manufactures 4-inch octagon boxes, 1.5 inch deep and 2 1/8 inches deep for a variety of applications. This particular box has 1/2 inch side knockouts and 1/2 inch bottom knockouts. All of our octagon boxes have a threaded 1032 ground screw hole in the bottom. We make these boxes with 2 ear holes or 4 ear holes for overhead applications that require exit signs and emergency lights. We also make it with ears for old work cut-in jobs, and we also make it with multiple bracket styles. We also make an 4-inch octagon extension ring when added wire capacity is needed. It mounts directly on top of the 4-inch octagon box, so additional circuits can be run. Numerous brackets are attached to octagon boxes due to their popularity in overhead ceiling applications. One of the most common is this J-bracket box, which attaches directly to the stud using a hammer and screws. GIŁI Industries also manufactures one of the best fan brace boxes in the industry. It has a flat vertical bracket with peel and stick adhesive that mounts directly to the overhead stud. It's rated for over 50 pounds and has been tested in excess of 250 pounds for heavy chandeliers and ceiling fans. For these and other great products, visit us online at GIWIindustries.com.